Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to show you how to enable autocatch on the PokeBall Plus without any soldering when playing Pokemon Go. The PokeBall Plus comes with auto spinning of Pokestops and gyms, but when catching Pokemon, it will only alert you and then you'll have to hit the button on the top to actually catch it. So there are several tutorials that will show you how to modify it by taking it apart. You can also use like the strap that it comes with to wrap it around the Pokeball. The strap mod is pretty good, but it tends to come loose if the Pokeball gets moved around a lot, and you also lose the ability to use the strap around your wrist. Instead, I use a tight silicone skin with a coin. I'm using it with a nickel. Essentially, all you're doing is putting the coin on top of the button, and then you're putting the skin on top of it, which causes the coin to push down on the button. And that's basically it in terms of modding it. And it will hold the button down, and it will also so anytime there's a Pokemon nearby, it will automatically catch the Pokemon without you having to actively press the button. So it's a very simple mod, and it literally costs you like a nickel, and the skin, I think I paid like $5 for them, so not very expensive. And also, because of using the skin, it protects the Pokeball, and the wrist strap is also usable. So it's a very good way to enable auto catch in a very simple way without any soldering. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this simple tip for enabling auto catch on your PokeBall Plus. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.